Okay, shit. I'm back. Sorry about that. You're probably gonna... Well, you'll know, because it'll get uploaded first. But it'll be like a 1 minute 40 something video going up because... Well, funny story, really. What happened was my laptop was uploading videos. I was like exporting files and shit. And it was just on the side, just doing that. And all of a sudden the screen just went black. And just instinctively I just looked over, saw that the screen had died, and just went, shit. Now you wanna know what happened? Well, first thing I thought was, had it run out of battery? So I checked on the side and the charger was still in. So I was like, no, I don't get to run out of battery, that sounds great. The fuck was that? So then, oh. Yes, technician. Anyway. Oh, fuck. Really? You know what, I ain't got time for this shit. Anyway. So, I was just like moving the mouse, wiggling that, seeing if the screen would come back on. I was just like pressing around the buttons. And then, as the gods obviously saw fit that I might accidentally press the brightness button, and I swear to God, that screen that was black just literally popped up with my channel saying, upload complete. Shit, not these things. Sit down. Fucking guardian drones. Bastards crippled my ass. Scrap metal. Oops. I didn't want that. You take that shit back. I want that module. I want that alien falafel. Oh, crap. Fuck you and your nipple twisters. Damn, I'm tearing up. You lost karma because this guy was an alien that fucking abducted you? Sorry. Okay. Back to what I was doing. Jail. Fuck it. So yeah, sorry about that. Because it was gonna be like a 1 minute fucking video. Which is just a waste. But, oh well. I'm happy. If I'm happy then, ooh. What the fuck? Random level up. Huh. Let's put that up a lot. And put that up to 25. Oh, I got an itchy ear. And I guess the rest can go on barter. That's cool. We got anything new? No, we don't. Well, okay, well. Fast metabolism shit? No. Carnivore. No. I should get night person and solar powered. That way I'd be... Ooh, I'm surprised I have not got you yet. Fuck yeah. Anyway, what the hell is that? Fucking nipple twisters? Die. Scrap metal I can't take. What is that? I hear shit. Get back here. Ow. Come on. Swing at me. Yeah. Who's your daddy? And that means I can repair that. Because I'm running out of space for me to hold shit. Oh yeah. No. I don't have any aid that actually weighs anything. I check. Nope, ain't got shit. So I guess that's not... It's that fucking samurai armor, man. Scratch my nose. It's that fucking samurai armor. Look at that, 20 pounds. Even the helmet, it's just 3 pounds. But it's worth a lot of cash. I might not even sell it though. I might just put it in my fucking... one of my lockers. Lockers? There's some in a locker. Guess I might as well start using this thing. This is fucking 18 pounds worth of space. Son of a bitch. It's part of charm. That thing is still on fire. Now, I was telling you about how gay this place is. You've already seen those fucking robots with them cannons, man. I already told you about that shit. But what I didn't tell you is that this place is a fucking maze. First time I did this, it took me ages to find my way through this shit. Literally. I spent fucking forever. Hold that shit. Take it. What is this? Science skill 50 or higher. Ah, someone told me about this. I think it stops the assembly line, which means no more robots will come in and try to fucking rape you, because they're not being put together. So, yeah. Let's just check. See if there's anything for me to steal off these aliens. Oh man. So gay, this place. The fuck? Ow! Shit. Oh. Oh, that's rich. Come on, bring up the menu. Fucking fool. Alien atomizer, I got this fucking thing, I never use it, so... Yep, ow. And I'm still getting torn up. What the fuck? Oh. Bastard. Support drop. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I can take that. Cool. I guess... Yeah, I seriously have no fucking clue. See, I've gone all through... Is that a button? No. Oh. Overload assembly line. It took me ages to figure out that's what you had to do. It literally took me fucking decades to figure out. All you had to do was press a little panel and that shit would just explode. Back up. Can't even rob your shit? Oh, fuck. Damn. Oh, you squeezing? Squeezing cheesy, boy? Ow. Fuck. Holy shit, they're tearing my ass. Damn. They're taking chunks out of me. Back your shit up, Guardian Drone. Okay, that's him out the way, because he's a jackass. Get back here. Put in all that work, you ain't running away. Don't release another one. Oh, that's why he's such a dick. That's why he's so fucking tough. Because he's releasing them drones. And turning me into a fucking cripple. No. All these fucking explosions. No. Shit. I hate these things. God. Drone control device, yeah. You are... Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Atomizer, you know what? Get your fucking ass out. I never use you. Oh, fuck. God, man. See, this shit's what I mean.